Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up alerts on investing.com. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app. After that you have to click on the more option, which is at the bottom of the screen. Then you can see the first option is alerts. Click on that. And right now I do not have triggered alerts, so you can click on the view alert center, and you can create a new alert by clicking on the create alert option. And here you can find the popular searches, but you can search for others as well. So let's see the first one. Here you can see the price, change and volume options, and you can click on the send an email notification about it or a recurring alert option. And after that you can create this alert, and you can see that there is earnings alert, economic events, authors option. So here you can see the analysis to follow an author. You can see this option as well. So here the economic events, you can create alert, choose an event from the calendar, the earnings, and yeah. And if you click on that bell at the top of the screen, you can see your alerts feed. And if you click on the three lines, you can see the alert types. You can see the instrument alerts, economic event alerts, analysis alerts, earning alerts, or webinar alerts. So you can choose whichever you want. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.